Amazon doesn't just sell products anymore. It's quietly taking over the global shipping industry. But how did a bookstore become a threat to giants like Maersk? And what does that mean for the future of trade? Today, we'll break down Amazon's secret rise as a freight power, how it moves containers, skips middlemen, and rewrites the rules of global logistics. Let me first show you how Amazon went from shipping books to shipping containers across the ocean. Amazon started with books. Now, it operates over 100 cargo planes, a massive fleet of delivery vans, and over 1,500 warehouses around the world. In 2016, Amazon made a bold move. It became a registered freight forwarder under the name Amazon China. That meant it could book container space on ships, not just for itself, but for other companies too. And then it went deeper. Today, Amazon operates as a non-vessel operating common carrier. Translation: it doesn't own the ships, but it can legally buy container space, sell freight services, and file customs documents like a global shipping giant. And it's doing it at scale. Now, I bet you're wondering, what's so special about non-vessel operating common carrier status? By becoming a non-vessel operating common carrier, Amazon skips the middleman. No need for legacy freight forwarders. No waiting on Maersk's schedule. It buys container space directly from shipping lines, consolidates cargo, and moves goods across oceans on its own terms. In fact, in just a few years, Amazon became one of the top 5 importers by container volume into the United States. And that's not just for Amazon's products. Third-party sellers on Amazon's marketplace can now ship with Amazon Global Logistics from China to your doorstep with no FedEx or UPS involved. They're not just fulfilling orders, they're owning the infrastructure. Up next, let's talk about how Amazon is quietly eating the shipping industry's lunch. Freight forwarders used to thrive on complexity, booking cargo space, managing customs, tracking delays. But Amazon is simplifying all of that within its own ecosystem. If you're a seller on Amazon, why wouldn't you choose Amazon to handle shipping too? And it's not just about price. Amazon is offering visibility, speed, and end-to-end control. Legacy firms are being disintermediated, cut out of the picture, by a company that was once just a digital bookstore. Now, I bet you didn't expect this. Amazon turns shipping delays into business intelligence. Every step of this global shipping stack gives Amazon data. Data on shipping times, customs delays, supplier reliability, even what goods are trending before they hit the market. By owning the supply chain, Amazon doesn't just react to global logistics problems. It predicts them, it routes around them, and it learns faster than anyone else. This is more than logistics. It's vertical integration with a side of machine learning. So what does all this mean for the future of global trade? Imagine a future where Amazon isn't just your shopping mall. It's your freight forwarder, your customs agent, your delivery provider, and maybe even your manufacturer. It's already reshaping global supply chains, making them faster, smarter, and more centralized than ever. And while Maersk is busy pivoting to integrated logistics, Amazon is already there. Amazon didn't just build a store. It built a freight empire. One plane, one container, one warehouse at a time. And in the next decade, global shipping won't just be about ports and ships. It'll be about platforms. Because if you control the container, you just might control the commerce. Would you trust Amazon to handle your international shipping? Comment below and subscribe for more smart breakdowns on business, tech, and trade.